The divorce process in California is not easy. Even if you don't have assets or debts or no kids, no alimony, and you're just doing what you would call a simple divorce. We get calls all the time from potential clients who want to have a consultation with us and learn more about our service, who say they're going to do their own divorce, most likely because they have a simple divorce. And I get what you mean. You're in agreement, you're amicable, both cooperative, no assets, no debts, or maybe very minimal, no children, no money crossing hands. And so you assume it's going to be simple. And most of these clients will say they've downloaded all the forms and they've read about the process and spent hours reviewing it, but just had a few questions for me before they did their own divorce on their own without our service. Then they'll go on for 20 minutes asking 20 to 30 highly technical questions, which clearly tells me they don't understand the process at all. After the consultation, I don't usually try and convince these folks to use our service. I'll let them know they're welcome to use our service if they run into trouble, or I should say when they run into trouble, where we would have to take over and finalize their case for them. Because once someone has decided they're going to do their own divorce, there's no convincing them otherwise if they think it's a simple process. We just have to let them run into it head on. And again, like I told this gentleman the other day, if you do run into trouble and you want us to take over, 50% of our business does come from clients who try to do their own divorce but couldn't get it through the courts.